I'm Lauren Paylor, and I'm a bartender and owner of Focus on Health. My inspiration for exploring this profession came from when I was actually in nursing school. So there was a bar that I used to frequent, and I would go there to do my homework because everyone there was extremely hospitable. They always, provided me with delicious non-alcoholic beverages. And I started asking more questions and eventually just found myself in a position where I was interested in being that person behind the bar. At least in the very beginning of my career, I was very focused on learning all of the drinks, the history of cocktails, spirits, and being the best bartender I could possibly be. And now all of the things outside of bartending that I care about, social justice, health and wellness, we're in a position where we're finding ways to kind of incorporate it into our craft. I do feel like my hair is part of my image as a bartender. I, for a very long time, permed my hair, so it was straight. It wasn't until after college that I stopped perming it. I didn't like the way, my hair was like brittle and it was breaking, and I figured out how to start styling it and realized I had these beautiful curls, and I'm very comfortable with, who I am, I think, as a person, but that certainly was like the very beginning of me figuring out what my true identity was.